Welcome. In front of me I have Xiaomi Redmi Note 90, and today I will make the fingerprint sensor test so we can check how fast the sensor is in the smartphone. You can find the sensor built into the power key on the right edge under the volume keys. So let's make a few tries and let's see how the sensor performs. You can simply touch your fingerprint. You don't have to press it. You can also slide like that. But right now, as you can see, the sensor is very fast and also recognize my fingerprint in the tries. So we can say right now that it's reliable. Okay, so as you can see, this sensor works really great. What can I say more? You just see what is going to happen when I touch the sensor. It's unlocked a very time and very fast. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.